Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok effects not working. So if you want to use a TikTok effects but then apparently it doesn't working properly, it can be due to issues like app glitches, outdated software, or network problems. And through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how you can fix the issue. The first one, you can check for updates. So you can open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone if you are on Android, and then click on search. Search for TikTok and update the app if there is any update available. And after that, you can just restart the app after updating. And the second one, you can also restart the TikTok application. So fully close the TikTok by swiping it away in your app switcher and reopen TikTok to see if the effects are functioning now. And the third one, you can check your internet connection. So ensure you have a stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and also mobile data, and you can also try to restart your router if you are using Wi-Fi. And the next one, you can try to clear the TikTok cache. On the TikTok application, you can just go to your profile and then tap on this menu, settings and privacy. Scroll down until you find the free up space option, then just clear the cache in here. Tap on clear, and you can also do it on the device settings. And the next one, you can also try to log out and log back TikTok in. You can open your profile and click on the menu, and here you can scroll down until you find the log out option. You can log back in to see if the effects are working again. And you can also try to reinstall the TikTok application. Just uninstall it first from your phone. Click on uninstall. And then you can download and reinstall the application again on the Google Play Store. Log back into your account and check if the effects are restored now. And you need to also ensure your device is compatible, because some effects require newer hardware or software. You can update your device's operating system to the latest version, or check your device's storage and free up space if it's low. And you can also check for regional restriction, because some effects are limited to specific regions. You can use a VPN to access the effects not available in your location. And you can also try to report the problem to TikTok. So if none of the previous steps work, you can go to your profile, go to menu, setting and privacy, and find the report a problem option. And here you can just choose a relevant category like a fax or filter. Which one is it? Okay, so just find it and then attach screenshot or screen recording to help TikTok understand what issue are you facing. Okay, last one, you can wait for the TikTok updates, because sometimes TikTok effects may stop working due to bugs or server issues. So by following these steps, I hope you should be able to resolve the issue and use the TikTok effects that you want. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.